If you think product rule applies here, please watch the video till the end. I think this is constant multiply. C is constant here. But in this is product rule here. As these are two different functions, t square and sine t. Okay, let's find the derivative of this. So constant multiply rule here. So this is simply c times derivative of cosine t plus applying the product rule here. A times b is um, a times derivative of b plus b times derivative of a. Okay, this is going to be co means negative sign, so cosine derivative is sine t plus t square. Derivative of sine t is cosine t plus sine t times derivative of t square is 2t. Okay, what we have is negative c times sine of t plus t square cosine t plus 2t sine t. You can re-simplify this further as this was the derivative of this, right? This whole expression. So we can take the t out here as this is common in both. So this is going to be t cosine t plus 2 sine t. And here is your answer. I hope this helps. Thank you.